Hey everyone, John Henry here from School of Trade. Today we're going to be taking a look at a short trade here on crude oil. Nice little wave pattern short. Looking for the first target at 91, second target coming off at, let's do 82, and then final target's going to come down here at 72. And that's going to be kind of the layout that we're looking for. Now, the way that crude oil's been setting up pretty much all morning is bearish, right? If you zoom out, you can see we've been selling all morning. Any sizable retrace that we've had has just been immediately slapped lower, and that's exactly what we're in right now. And we're looking for a little bit more continuation on this one. So the way that it's setting up, we had this big initial smack lower after we had that connection back up to the upside, as we saw before. That didn't work so well. So it was anticipated that that was going to fall, and it's exactly what happened. Now, we're looking for a little bit more continuation to the downside simply because we're not seeing any reason to not to. We're in a bearish day. We have a nice, beautiful, just cloud rejection several times all the way through here after a big push lower. It's anticipated that we continue down and maybe get another push lower. That's kind of what we're looking at right now. So the first target, we're in short at 59. First target's coming off at 91. So it's going to be 9 ticks on that first target there. Taking 2 off there like normal. Next target's going to be the next area down, which is going to be at 82 with a front run there. So 18 on that next one, and then the final one's going to be down at 72 for 28 more ticks. So if we can get this full fill on this push lower, we're looking at 2 off at 9, which is 18, another 18, and then 28. So 64 ticks on the trade possible if we start getting another continuing push lower, and that's kind of what it appears to be doing, especially on a day like today. So we'll give it a little bit of time here. It is still kind of early. Crude oil's not quite open yet. We've got about 20 minutes or so. It's at 8:42. We got a little bit of time before crude oil opens up, so it might cause it to be a little bit slow. But overall, anticipating this to just be bearish pretty much all morning. Any big correction today, I'm looking to sell. It's just the way that the day is kind of setting up. So we'll let it run. We'll see if we can get that target at 91, and we'll be back in a little bit. All right, continuing pressure pushes us into our first target. Got that target filled. Stop's going to go to break even here. So break even 58.99. That's where our stop's going to sit. Now, the overall goal that I really want to see taken out is this 88. So you might want to leave your stop back a little bit, but I'm not going to give it too much. I'm just going to bump it above this little kind of wick that you can see right there for right now. So we'll leave it behind that for now until we break this low here at 88. Then we'll just give it a little bit of kind of buffer room, if you will. But once we break that low, stop will go to break even just like normal. But I mean, everything on this trade is setting up really, really well. We have a really, really nice last chance wave pattern short. It's setting up beautifully. Got that first target filled without much of a problem at all. Just looking for continuation with this big bearish potential day that we've got on our hands here. We haven't seen much buying at all today. There's no reason to anticipate anything else. So we'll give it a little bit more time here. We got the first target taken off. Stops at pretty much break even, -1 at the moment until we break that low. And we're looking for 58.82 next. All right, we're getting that pressure back down again. We tested our target once before, but never actually filled it. Now we got our fill. Beautiful. So now that we've got our fill, we're sitting a little bit better. Tested our target before at 82, and it never filled us and kind of bounced a little bit. Makes you a little bit nervous when that happens. But with this aggressive bearishness that we're seeing so far, we've gotten all of our targets taken out. And because of that, I really don't anticipate the market coming back. And if it does, it's probably going to be a little bit of a deeper correction just on profit taking. All the sellers, just like we are going to be taking profit down here, just like we are. So I don't want to see another kind of correction back up to whip anything out. So I'm going to lock my stop in a little, well, I guess I don't have to, okay? We got that final target filled. I was going to move my stop above this little kind of intermediate swing right here, but we got our target filled, so I guess we don't have to do that. Beautiful, beautiful move lower. It did take a little bit of time, but not terrible. I mean, we're not even at the crude oil open yet, and we've already got $600 locked in the bank. So that's going to be the trade. Beautiful last chance wave pattern short. On a bearish day. You can't ask for much more than that on crude oil here. 64 ticks on the trade, $640. If you have any questions about it, feel free to send an email to School of Trade. Don't forget to check out our trial at schooloftrade.com. And as always, we'll catch you next time.